Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned on Roblox. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Roblox support. Click on this Roblox official website. Here, you need to add your username, your first name, email address, and then confirm email address. Next, select your device from the list. After that, you need to select the type of help category. Select the option of moderation from the list. In the subcategory, select Appeal Account. Lastly, you need to add the description of issue. Let's type, I think my Roblox account has been wrongfully banned. Kindly take a closer look at it and unban if it's possible. Also, add your account name in the description box. Once you're done, click on Submit. The Roblox team will soon resolve your problem. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.